Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 454 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out these Beauty Treats Color Dream lipsticks. And so these are color changing lipsticks, which this takes me back to like my first YouTube video I ever created, which was on the Lipstick Queen color changing lipsticks, and I got like a mini pack for Christmas, so then I did a video on them. It's probably super embarrassing, but if you want to see that, I will link that video down below. But I love color changing lipsticks, they're so fun. So I decided to get two colors. I got purple and yellow, but they're supposed to change to a pink or a red shade. But look at how the yellow was shipped to me. Like, these are unopened, but the yellow is like rolled up and squished. Like, they both still have the plastic sealing on them. Ooh. It has a pretty nice fruity scent to it. Does the purple one have the same scent? Yeah, they both smell the same to me, but they both smell fruity, so that's nice. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch each one. So here is the purple. Swatch it change colors. It does, it kind of looks like a purpley pink shade. That has some nice tint of color to it. Now let's see how the yellow swatches. They both have nice shine. So here's the yellow. Let's watch the color develop. So cool how it kind of goes on clear, and then you give it a few seconds and the pigment builds. It's almost like magic. And that's so interesting that they are slightly different. To me, they're looking like variations of the same shade. So the yellow, it's that same purpley pink shade. It's almost like the same shade as my shirt somehow, but it's just slightly lighter. I was kind of hoping that they would be completely different shades. Like, one would be more pink, one would be more red, but therefore I'm going to try out the purple one on my lips, since I think that will show up a little bit better. Look at that, there's definitely a color difference. Ooh, and on my lips, it's such a pretty shade. Ooh. Like, on my lips, I think it has like really nice pigment. It's like a berry pink shade. It's really pretty, and it feels so moisturizing and hydrating to my lips. Like, it feels like I just applied a really nourishing lip balm. That's the texture that it has. But wow, it kind of looks like a lip stain. The color of it, it's so much prettier and more pigmented than I was expecting. Wow, I am loving how this looks. Let me do a kiss test and see the transfer. So it's like minimal transfer. We'll keep an eye on that and see if the color develops. And then just an update, here are how the swatches are looking. So no, the color's not really developing or changing on the kiss test, but it is still like really intact, very pigmented still on my lips. Like, it still has that same color. Wow, I am so happy and excited about this. Like, I think this is such a flattering shade, and I love the texture of it. I love how it feels on my lips. So this is so exciting. I'm really glad that I got two shades of it, because this is such like an easy throw on type of lipstick. It also looks really cool. Like, you're gonna put on a yellow or a purple lipstick, but no, just wait. And then it turns into this perfect shade. So yay, I'm so happy about this. And did I mention that these were only $1 and I got them from ShopMissA, so they are cruelty free? Wow. I feel like I'm on such a roll with great dollar store makeup products that I've been finding lately, and these are seriously like some of my new favorite lip products. I'm going to get great use out of these because yeah, like I was saying, they're just a great throw on anytime, go with any makeup look really, so very excited about this and I highly recommend them. I just think that the color changing anything like makeup products, jewelry, I just think it's so cool, like mood rings. I was obsessed with those when I was younger. But I would love to know in the comments down below if you have any recommendations for other color changing makeup products that I should try out. I feel like it's such a fun thing to feature on this trying a new makeup product every day series, especially when they are as amazing as this product here. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.